This video will show you what to do if you are getting this "we couldn't find a fingerprint scanner" error on your Asus laptop. So to fix this, first head to the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result that appears. Now in the services window, you will need to scroll down and then find this Windows biometric service. Now double click it. Now here you will need to click on this stop button to pause the service. Once you have done that, simply open the file explorer on your PC. Now head to this C drive. Now in here you will need to find the Windows folder. Now here open the System32 folder. Now in here scroll down and find this Windows Bio database folder. Now select all the files inside this folder and then click on this trash icon. Now select continue to confirm. Once you have done this, simply return to this services app and then click on start. Now make sure that the startup type is set to automatic from here. Now head to the logon tab, select this local system account option and tick this particular checkbox. Finally hit apply followed by OK. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Asus laptop and the fingerprint sensor should work. If it doesn't, however, your last option is to head to the settings app, go to this Windows Update tab and then install any pending updates from here. You can also go to this advanced option, go to optional updates and then install any pending updates from here. Once you have done this, the fingerprint sensor should work as expected. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch.